Integration of taste and health. Dreo Air Fryer features a systematic design with an oven-grade smart temperature control system to make the ingredients crispy outside and tender inside. Enjoy healthier food with a better taste thanks to the 360 degrees hot air circulation heating your food evenly. Cut off 30% cooking time, 450 degrees Fahrenheit industry-leading temperature plus the 360 degrees hot air circulation. Wrap your food in high heat to get it ready quicker with less fuss. A 6.8 QT basket serves 3 to 5 people at one go. People with a tight schedule can get their breakfast, lunch and dinner ready in a split second. All in one, no need to buy another cooking machine for different purposes. Dreo is an all-rounder with a temperature from 100°F to 450°F, 5 cooking modes, and 6 presets. Making yogurt, dries fruit, and roasting steak, poultry is your preferences for a more customizable cooking experience. Transparent viewing window. Dreo's one-of-a-kind viewing window with an ergonomic design lets you check your food status anytime without drawing out the basket. Minimize the cooking time and maximize the fun by watching how the ingredients change by the cooking process. Free recipes with 100 dishes. A free cookbook covering entrees, appetizers, desserts, snacks, and side dishes is included in the package. Open the book and get a quick idea to satiate your multi-cuisine food cravings. We will keep updating the e-recipes to bring more flavors to your table. ETL listed design and easy cleaning. Double-layer insulated basket protects your hands against the heat, while the built-in sensor automatically pauses and resumes heating to avoid overheating. The BPA-free coating makes it non-stick for easier cleaning. Dishwasher-safe design for added convenience. Included components: 100 free recipes, insulated basket and a non-stick plate. Top reviews from the United States. Worth every penny. Updated. Edited to add. It's been several months now and the below review still applies. This thing is a champ. I use it every single day. I don't typically write reviews unless I'm either really disappointed or really impressed with a product. I did some research on several brands of air fryers before deciding to take a leap of faith on this one, mostly because of the great reviews and sale price. I have no regrets. I've had this thing 3 days and I've used it for pretty much every meal as we are trying to conserve our supply of propane due to the increased price of everything under the sun. I first tested out shoestring fries and they turned out perfectly crispy. Next I made seasoned chicken thighs and will say that 22 minutes is too long. I would start with 15 and check them. But the flavor and crisp was great. This morning I made my husband an egg omelet and crispy home fries and he said it turned out great. Additionally this is so easy to clean. The entire basket is non-stick and the grate is easily removable so you can clean underneath it. The touchscreen top takes a bit of getting used to, but once you figure out the settings it's easy to navigate. I read a couple of reviews that complained of a burnt plastic smell. I did not have a problem with that at all. I rinsed the inside with soap and water before the first use and had no issues. A few of the best features of this thing are: 1. There's an internal light so you can see the food without having to pull out the basket. 2. There's a button on the handle that you have to press to release the basket, which is a good safety feature for anyone with kids to avoid accidental burns related to curiosity. And 3. It's lightweight and doesn't get hot externally. The outside of the basket is very slightly warm to touch, but the rest of the fryer is cool as a cucumber. This is easily movable and fits nicely in my cabinet for storage, but also has a large capacity for larger meals. I felt as though most of the fryers I looked at had a limited basket size which would not allow you to make enough food for more than a couple people. I'm very impressed with this air fryer and highly recommend it. Definitely a great value for the money you spend on it.